This is a quick tutorial to show you how to create an article in Joomla and then how to also create a link for it in this menu section up here so that you can show that article information as a page on your website. This is the front end that we're going to be using today. We want to log into the administrative control panel section. I've already got mine open in another window here. And I'll go ahead and go back to the beginning of it. This is what it looks like when you log in. And I'm going to go ahead and start developing my content. The first thing, in order to create a link in your menu, you've got to have some content for it to link to. So we want to create an article by going to Content, Articles. And we're just going to create ourselves an article here. We see a list of some that's already available, but we want to create a new article. When it comes up, we need to give it a name. This name will appear in the list that we just looked at so we can identify it, but often it's also used as the title of the page and shows on the page. You can select that as an option later on, but right now we want to put something relative, usually the name of the article. So I'm going to put my newest article. I can't type, but there you go. And then you want to put in all your very important information for your web page there. Okay, we'll just leave all the settings over here to the side on their default, and there's a lot of other settings we can choose from to do real intricate stuff. We're going to leave all those set to their default. We're basically going to click Save and Close. And you'll see we've created a new article when we jump back to the article listings page. Okay, my newest article, there it is. If we wanted to edit it, we would click it here and edit it. Okay, and now we've got that created, but we still don't have any way to get to it on the home page. There's no links or anything, and the information's there, but nobody can get to it. So let's create a link in our menu module up here that will actually show them how to get there. Let's go back to the back end again. And we want to go to Menus, and this is the main menu we're going to be working with. The menu can have a different name. It could be called Dennis's menu or Bob's menu or whatever, but typically the default one is called Main Menu. Okay, we're at the main menu listing, and it lists the items that are in the main menu. You have Home and Den's page. If I click back over here, that's what we see, Home and Den's page. Okay, so I want to add a new one. Let's go up and click New. And whenever the computer catches up with us here, we'll create a new item. Now this text is actually going to be what shows in the list, so I'm just going to type newest article. And this will be the actual link name that shows. Now we want to select what this text link is going to go to. So we want to look at the menu item type, hit the select button. You can select from a lot of things. We want to work with articles today. Click articles. There's a lot of different ways to use articles and to show them on web pages, but we just want to show a single article. So we choose single article. It's going to think for a minute and give us a new drop box up here. And when it gives us that drop box, depending on how fast your internet is, there you go. It'll give us the option in this new drop box to select an article. So since we've already created the article we want, we can just simply select it from here. It'll populate it here. We can leave all these items and all the other options across here as default and hit Save and Close. Then after it does its work and gets its information entered to the server, we can go back here and we can refresh the page. And we'll see we have a new link item up here. And you notice our template of the website automatically decides these colors and size of these things. We're basically just putting new information in. It already has the looks and appearance it needs, so we don't have to worry about that. But anyway, as I click on newest article, I'll be able to see the new article when the page loads. And then my page will also still have all the other content we want to make it look good. So that's the basics of creating an article in Joomla and creating a link to it from your main menu on the front of the website.